Hello everyone, my name is Mo, and in this video, I'll be reviewing my JavaScript COVID-19 tracker project. So in this video, we're going to go over our final capstone project that we had to do for JavaScript and use frameworks uh, for for JavaScript. So in this particular project, I have decided to track COVID-19 tracker. So this is not a live API tracker. So this only tracks data from when COVID-19 started in 2020 to about March 2022. However, it's still a live tracker and it comes back as straight statistics. So you can view exact or clean statistics of COVID-19. And when we do our program run, you're going to be able to see where COVID has spread out. So the purpose for this project is to, again, track and display COVID-19 statistics globally. So you can switch from countries to countries, or you can zoom in and out of the map. Not only it shows how many people has been infected with COVID, it shows how many people has recovered and how many people has been vaccinated from COVID-19. So the target audience would be the general public who wants more information about COVID-19, or health professionals who wants to get more insight. So core features would be to view cases, so you can view COVID-19 cases, recoveries, how many people have recovered from those cases, and then deaths by country. So how many people have died in a specific country. The technologies we have used for this program is React, JavaScript, and Material UI. So I just want to talk a little more about Material UI. Material UI, it's a more user-friendly, I would say, module, which allows us to display or make our website come more to life. Okay, and then expected outcome would be to have a nice website with a scrollable map and real-time updates. This is for my data algorithm slide. So fetching data, we use the API from disease.sh. So disease.sh provides three different types of API: graphical API, recovery API, and then current infected people API. So this three different APIs is going to be used for the three different modules in our project. We're also going to use data visualization. So we're going to use graphs and tables to visualize our statistical data. UI components would include information box or line graph, tables and map, and then user interaction. So a drop down is going to be available in our web page, where the user will be able to click the drop down and select an array of countries and view their statistics perfectly. And then for my Jira, so I have used my Jira to, let me move this out of the way. Okay, so I have used, oh, excuse me, guys. So I have used my Jira to manage how I am going to get my project done. So as you can see, this is just a to-do for Jira. So I have added a few things within this Jira model, and based on this model, I can select the tasks I have done or completed, or the tasks that is in progress. Lastly, this is my Figma. So this is how my web page should look like. So it should have the title COVID-19 tracker, and then I don't know if you guys can see my cursor, but it says over here we're gonna have COVID-19 cases recovered and deaths. We're gonna have a map. The map is not currently showing hot zones, so it's gonna highlight hot zones by having circles, and then statistics here, and then on the bottom it has more graphical statistics for line graph. That is the end to our presentation. Now we're going to present the app. So this is the demo app that we have over here. As you guys can see, so this has a zoom out feature. So as you do zoom out, you can see the hot zones. Unfortunately, I couldn't get our circles to be smaller. It's all on the statistics. So the more larger the circles are, the more cases in that area that there is. So you guys can zoom in, or you guys can search. So let's say, for example, oops, sorry guys. So for example, if you want to see how many cases there are in Bangladesh, you can simply select Bangladesh, and this should load up our AP. So it should zoom in. However, when it does, the circles doesn't get smaller. So that's one thing I would need to improve on. You can scroll through recovered. So this is particularly showing Vietnam. If we do worldwide, the statistics should change. All right, so as you can see, recovered, it's 675 million total that has recovered from COVID-19. And then on deaths, you can zoom in on deaths to see how many deaths each country has. Okay, so you guys can zoom in over here. So for example, let's say in Russia, we currently have 24 million cases and 23 people that has recovered. And then deaths, we have unfortunately we have 402,000 deaths in Russia. And finally on this right side, there's a scroll bar to see all statistics. So it starts from the most and then it goes to the least amount of people who have live cases by country. And then this is at the end, this reflects our current tab that we're in. So this will reflect deaths. And then this is going to reflect current COVID cases. So as you can see, this like goes up and down until our last date, which the API tracks, which is May 9th. And as we can see during May 9th, our COVID-19 cases are dropping down, and that's when our model stops to pick up new cases or new data. That's for my JavaScript presentation. I hope you guys liked, enjoyed, and share. And this demo or this what should I call it? This zip file or GitHub, it's going to be linked on the description box down below. So you guys can definitely check that out as well if you want to just fork this repository and use this for your own project, or if you want to make any edits. Thank you guys. Like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.